Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to disable the context menu animation on Telegram Web using your PC. This is part of the newer updates. And if you prefer a faster, more minimal experience without extra motion, this setting is definitely worth turning off. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside your chats, look over to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side panel will open up. From here, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize different parts of your Telegram experience. Now, inside Settings, look for the option called Animations and Performance. Click on it. This section controls how smooth or dynamic the interface feels, including all the little animations Telegram uses. Once you're in there, scroll a bit until you see Interface Animations. Under this category, you'll find an option labeled Context Menu Animation. This is the feature that adds animation when you open right-click menus or similar pop-ups. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. That's it. The change applies immediately, so there's no need to restart anything. After turning it off, you'll notice that menus appear instantly without the animation effect. This can make the interface feel quicker and a bit more responsive.